What do you do if your lawyer won't communicate with you? Hi, my name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by just talking a little bit about what to do when there's difficulty communicating with your attorney. So, obviously, as an attorney, I might be a little bit biased here, but generally speaking, any attorney, at least any attorney that I know of, has anywhere from 50 to 100 cases on their caseload at any given time. And I realize I'm saying any a lot, but I'm trying to just explain how much there is. And every single one of those cases has a client who needs to be kept in touch, kept in the loop, and communicated with. And it's not always easy. This is why a lot of times attorneys will have paralegals, interns, secretaries, support staff to help maintain the client communications. Because quite frankly, if I had to call every single one of my clients every single day, that's all I would do throughout the day is just making those phone calls. Sometimes it would take me several days just to get through my client list. Now, that doesn't mean that your lawyer shouldn't talk to you. Absolutely. If you've hired an attorney, that attorney should be keeping in touch with you and making sure that you're up to date about your case and making sure that you understand what's going on. So here's what I tell my clients, or what I try to tell my clients, and I tell my staff to tell my clients. Email is always going to be the way to go. It's maybe not going to give you the instant answer that you want, but it's a lot easier and a lot faster for an attorney to be able to respond to an email than it is to be able to pick up the phone and make that phone call. Not only that, but an email is also going to be easier for you on your bill. If you're in a type of case where you've hired an attorney and you're paying an hourly rate, that attorney is going to be billing you for every minute they spend on the phone or for emails. But here's how it works, or how it usually works, and how it works for my billing. If I have to read an email, I bill 1/10 of an hour. If I have to send an email, I bill 1/10 of an hour. So my client could have 18 questions in one email, and I would send 18 answers in one email, and they're only going to be billed for 2/10 of an hour. Whereas if I'm on the phone with that client answering those 18 questions, they're probably going to get billed for 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how long that conversation takes. So not only is it quicker and more efficient and frees up the attorney's time to be able to address your concerns, it's also going to be easier on your bill as well. If you have questions about this, or if you're in a situation where it's tough getting in touch with your attorney, definitely give us a call. My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.